Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I just want to give a quick update to baked beans. For those of you that are new to baked beans, it's pretty much what it is it's a smart contract where you invest money into that smart contract, and in return you earn up to 8% every single day. All right, so it's been around for roughly about 5 months, and I've been in it for a little over a month and a half, so going almost to 2 months now. It's a really exciting project, really cool developers backed by a really strong community. So I believe that it will be a project that will be around for a long time. So this is the amount that is investing currently into the project, 34K thousand BNB, right? And then if I go to here to see the value of that, you can see that we have 14 million invested into the project. So a number of you reached out to me and said, over the last couple of days, you hadn't been getting, quite close to that 8% mark. It was pretty much around that 1% mark. So we had a call today, just because of the amount that I've invested here, and you can see 15 billion beans that I have here. I guess let me celebrate that first, because oh my goodness, that's definitely a milestone achievement. 15 billion beans and going on to 20 billion soon. So I will definitely post up once I hit 20 billion beans. So anyway, so I had a call today, just being part of the whale group here. We had a call today just talking about why that was the case, and it kind of boils down to two reasons. One, with the weekend being a long weekend, there was kind of like more eats to really rebakes, right? So that for that reason, and also the bigger reason is that there was an issue with the Binance congestion, which basically caused everyone to kind of experience some transaction issues, and that coupled together was the reason for why it was a little bit lower over the weekend or the last few couple days. But, we checked today and it's already back to like about 5.75%, and it's already stabilizing. So with big beans, you don't always get exactly 8%. So it's up to 8%. So typically I find I get an average of between 5% to 8% on a daily basis, right? So that's what I just wanted to give a quick update. So yeah, everything is still looking good in terms of this smart contract. We're still sticking to the rebake schedule of six rebakes to one eat. So rebake 6 days of the week and then eat once out of the week. So for us that are kind of bigger whales, kind of we've just been, passionate about the project, and what we're doing, myself included, is, for example, if it's my day to withdraw, like the once a week, then and I do a withdrawal, let's say I have like 40 or 50 BNB in there, and I make a withdrawal. If I honestly I don't really need that much, but whatever I mean, let's say that I keep 10 BNB, I will toss the 40 BNB back in. If I pulled out 50, I'll keep 10, toss the 40 BNB back into the contract to promote the longevity of the contract and everything. I mean, not everybody has a bigger size account like that, right? So I just want to be respectful to the whole community and to sustain this project, because that's the goal, guys. We want to keep this project running for as long as, till Jesus comes back. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do personally myself. I'll always put back a certain amount, and really only keep what I need to whatever, if I need to pay bills or whatever. Yeah, so that's pretty much. I just wanted to give you a quick update. So, just to let you know that I did jump on a call with the developers today, and, it's all really good feedback in terms of this project to keep it sustained and everything. So, Happy rebaking. If you have any questions, you can link me on Telegram. And yeah, I've pretty much already rebaked today. The script is still working great, guys. It's still rebaking for us. So if you don't have access to the script and you need it, you can send me a message on Telegram, and my virtual assistant will provide it to you. And if you need her to install the script on your machine, just let her know, and she'll assist and install that on your machine for you. Okay, for a small fee. Okay. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, you can link me. Otherwise, enjoy your day or evening, and God bless. Take care. Bye.